in robotics and artificial intelligence and computer science and all of the other engineering disciplines that go into it, mechanical engineering, aeronautical engineering, there are a lot of really cool opportunities for work. On the very computer sciencey, mathy side of it, you have things like helping develop the Google search algorithm or other search algorithms that tell you, you say, get a request and, what information can we provide you with that? Then there's, with autonomous cars, how do you using machine learning and artificial intelligence, you're looking out at the world through cameras and LiDAR sensors and radar sensors and saying, what do I see? Are those cars? Are they moving? Are those bicycles moving? And roboticists are out there writing those algorithms that help you figure out what they are and how they're moving and how you interact with them safely. Then there's drones, which is what I do. And that's looking at how do we, for any size vehicle really, from fits in the palm of your hand to as big as a jetliner that you might fly on to Florida. How do you fly those safely? How do they interact with the world? And what do you even want to do with them, right? Do you want to deliver packages? Do you want to do research in weather patterns? Do you want to solve pollution? Do you want to help with research? Do you want to help with search and rescue operations? And so all of those are parts of robotics. And one of my good friends does underwater robotics, and they're doing mapping, and they're making three-dimensional models of underwater cities and coral reef research, and the list goes on and on. Robotics is really any aspect of your life that you want. And so if there's, something that you don't want to be doing on a daily basis, whether it's, vacuuming or cleaning the windows, there's a way that you could design a robot to handle those tasks for you. And so really the sky's the limit, but sky's not the limit because we got robots out on other planets. So really it's whatever you want it to be.